Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add fun games for your browser. This is the Ice Dodo. So here, in order to add the Ice Dodo, you can visit Chrome webstore.google.com and you can add to Chrome. This is free extension. You can click it. So click add extension and wait for the process. So you can play 3D game easily by clicking the little icon at the top right corner of your browser. So here there are total 40 plus level unlocked. So here let's try this Ice Dodo by click the extension, click Ice Dodo. Here we go. You can click difficulty. You can choose the difficulty and use left. Don't fall off, you are going to fall to death. Restart. Now you can try to use the arrow key to move this thing. So the map complete and you can extend into the next level. So feel free to try to install to add this Ice Dodo extension. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.